Welcome to this episode of Train Theater. My name is Daddy, and with me today is... What's your name?
Chase.
Chase. And Chase is going to show us his trains.
We've got Henry, Furtherman, and Thomas, Spencer, Gordon, and Hancock, and the Diesel, and taking on Murdoch, Express Coach, Spencer's Tender, Gordon, and Silver Engine, and Quibble, and the cargo car, and the cargo car, and Truck from Heroes, Freaker from Troubles and Trucks, Freaker from Cargo Cars, Freaker from the engine, some cargo, and some cargo came from over there, coupling from Heroes, Victor, Car Freaker from Troubles and Trucks, some cargo and Troubles and Trucks, Hero and Victor, and Tractor and Lemon Queen Freaker from that engine, an apple tree and Ram engine and William and Cow and Emergency Freaker from goes on the track, from Dashes Freaker from Dashes, Dash and Bash and a tree and a turtle car and Green Light sign, policeman and freight cars, car of train freight car, another apple tree and a stop sign and tender and caboose, so a 9 caboose and a diesel and Quibble and snow coach, my mail freight car, a farmer and another tree, and a famine, and that came from over there by that car. A boy and a daddy and a coach has pistons, and my mommy and son hanging freight car, a troublesome truck and cargo and a cargo and a caboose and a rail crossing sign. I also want to show you a track. Curved piece and curved piece, curved piece, curved piece, curved piece, curved piece, curved piece, and a bridge and a crossing and a piece of bridge again and switch and switch and switch and curved piece and curved piece, 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 curved piece. I just want to show you these tracks. Curved piece and a crossing and curved piece, curved piece, curved piece. Bye!
Thank you for showing me your trains and your track.